It's all right. We're good. We're good. So. This is the way to go, man. Just put a lawn chair on that board. You can do the same thing.
I know we can do it, bro. Your legs will feel great.
Oh yeah, I can either do this or I can tuck them in. I got options. So yeah, it's great to not have any pressure on my legs. Just they can go wherever on this thing.
What's the wobble factor like?
Not bad. When you go fast, it stabilizes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I need next.
Oh yeah, no, you gotta do this, man. You gotta try this. I don't know if you saw that. I almost died.